Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
He's okay. Very chatty today. Mainly about politics. At least siguro mga 95% of the conversation was about politics. And then nagsabi siya na ang mensahe niya ay mahal niya ang Pilipinas, mahal niya kayo.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, a little bit of politics lang, ma'am, na question. What is your reaction to the statement of individuals, particularly those detractors, ma'am, no, involving all of your families sa impeachment complaint hurled against you?
Well, I think it's unfair dahil hindi naman sila Vice President and hindi naman sila ini-impeach. And tulad ng mga asawa at mga anak din ng mga congressman, they have the right to privacy, being ordinary individuals and private citizens.
VP Inday, what is your opinion doon sa mga really brave na congressman natin katulad kay Congressman Leviste at Congressman Miao Barzaga na they are very vocal and unapologetically blunt and direct sa kanilang mga statements, ma'am, about the current government?
Well, pareho kami. Pareho tayong lahat ng nararamdaman tulad ng mga nararamdaman nila. At we applaud their courage to speak up kahit na alam nila na babalikan sila ng administrasyon kung hindi man in cases, posibleng mga threats or mga iba pang pananakot.
VP, a lot of Filipinos are saying that there's a lot of mind conditioning right now being put on different social media platforms to confuse the Filipinos about your hard work as a government official, ma'am. What is your message to those who are trying to paint you black in the Filipinos' point of view?
Okay, unang-una kasi sa politika, ganyan talaga yan, no? Lalo pati sa run-up to the 2028 presidential elections na alam naman natin na lahat na sabi ko nga, presumptive candidate na ako. And ang politika ay madumi talaga yan. Sabi nga ni PRD noon, paulit-ulit yan sa Davao City. Sabi niya, ang style ng karamihan o maraming mga politiko ay you paint your enemy black so that you appear white. So that pag mukha siyang madumi, mukha kang malinis kahit hindi naman totoo ikaw